Just wanted to show the brushless motor setup that I'm working on. The wires that you see leaving here, the blue and the black, are the three-phase to the motor and the hall sensors, and those are going up to the controller card where you've got power coming in on the left and you've got the three-phase going out, and then you've got the hall sensors that are actually going right there, and then you've got the controls. It's very simple control based on what the customer wanted. The green indicates one direction. You push that and that indicates another direction. If you press and hold for a period of like 4 seconds, it goes into a user mode where you can control the individual speed. You notice how many times it's flashing. That indicates the speed in that particular direction, and that's programmable. So I'm going to leave that the way it is, but you basically advance it and it cycles through by hitting that button again. But if you press and hold it for another 4 seconds, it returns back to the direction. So you briefly press it and it controls the direction. This button over here controls whether it's actually moving or not. And due to safety reasons, due to safety reasons, it ramps up, but it doesn't have to. This actually could just immediately start going, but like I said, due to customer safety reasons, we have it ramping up. I show you the motor here. So that is roughly at about 250 RPM or so with the power supply that I've got going. It's normally meant for a 48 volt power supply, but with the bench power supply, it's only capable of getting it up to about 250. So it's got dynamic braking when I let off the switch. So as soon as I let off, it stops pretty quickly. And then as far as controlling direction, notice right now it's going counterclockwise. I can press that button. Now it's green over here and it's going clockwise. But again, you can't for safety reasons, you can't change direction unless you come to a complete stop. Otherwise, you'll cause damage to the controller because it's an abrupt high current spike that wreaks havoc on the controllers like this. So just glad I got it up and running because we were having some difficulties with the PCB board. But it's dynamic in the sense where if I try to slow it down, it'll add more current to try to keep the speed. But because I'm on a benchtop power supply, it kind of kills that a little bit. But the battery supply, which it's intended for, it'll just keep giving it more current.